Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how we do an update. So last time we did, we created a get item from user, and then we created an insert item into a database. This time we're going to do an update. And so for an update, we're going to get some data, and then we're going to do an update. So it's going to be very similar to this, except that instead of insert, we're going to use the update. And this is used to change an item. And the format is update table name set, and then we have some key value pairs where we want to make the changes, and then where some column equals some value. And so we need something to specify which one we want to update. So our update method needs to not only have the data, but also the ID. Well, the data, presumably the first element is the ID, so we're going to use that. The first element is a row ID, so we're going to use that. And so this command is going to be like this. Update TBL demo set num1 field equal to a question mark, num2 field equal to a question mark, and string field equal to a question mark. And then we need a where clause, and it's going to be where row ID is equal to, and then another question mark. So that's our update command. And now we can't just put data in like this because the first element is the row ID. So it's going to look like this. We're going to slice this. We're going to take from element 1 to the end, and then we're going to append data at 0. Now the reason why we have to do this is the first element in data is row ID, but we need it at the end of the string of question marks. So we're saying, hey, take from index 1 to the end, and then append to it the last element. And since this is a single element, in order to do this append, we have to put this also in square braces. So that'll just basically take the last element and put it, the first element and put it at the end. And that's to get these elements in the right order. Then we'll commit this and close this, and we will be done. Now this is confusing. We're going to see that actually, if we had made a class for our data, it would have been actually much better. So we'll look at that towards the end. It's how we could do this better with a class. But for now, we have our update item into table demo, and then we need some way of interacting with the user. And it's going to be kind of the same thing. We'll just reuse this get item from user. And actually, since these come in as tuples, maybe what we'll do is we'll do this. We'll simplify this mess. We'll have the data that we want to insert, and then we'll have a row ID. And then what we'll do here is this will then just be data. Plus row ID is a tuple. So the row ID will come in here. And then that means that for our app, we'll add a new command. We'll say update. This will be very similar. We're going to pick update, and we're going to say and then we'll get the data from the user using the same thing. And then this will be update data, comma, that row ID. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, let's say I want to update 4. So I'm going to say update. Let's see, update didn't quite do what I expected. Oh, I need an input here. Let's stop this and run this again. And so I'm going to update this to 4.4, 4, and then we'll view the details for 4, and we can see our changes went in. So now we have the ability to update. And again, and so all we did is we made a new an update method that calls the update. The update needs to know a row ID as well as the fields. So we got that with data and the row ID. And then this, and then we put it into our app, right into one of our command options. We got the row ID from the user. We got the item from the user. And then the rest kind of worked. Now this could become a function we actually put into our view if we wanted to. But this will work for now. Okay, so that's the update function. Thank you.